This video is about how to set up a Wi-Fi extender, and I have purchased this product from Flipkart. This product is made in China and model is 8301. Country of origin is China, and the MRP is showing us 2800, but I purchased for 1300 rupees from Flipkart. This is a mini Wi-Fi range extender suitable for small house. Name of the product is Tenda N300 mini Wi-Fi range extender. I am unboxing the product now. Here you go. This is the product. Here they give installation guide as well, and this is the plug and play device with which requires a 2-pin socket. This device is around 5 inches and 2 antennas are there and one external connecting port to directly connect to the laptop or other devices using a LAN cable. It is looking okay. There are 3 indicators. The first one is for signal, second one is for WPS, and third one which is already showing in blue is for power. So there is one button for WPS. Yeah, WPS is on now. So let me connect to my laptop. The Wi-Fi name is showing us Tenda_ext. So let me connect to this Wi-Fi. As per manual, once we connect to this network, it will redirect to the Tenda setup page. So let's see. It is connecting. Yes, this is the page, and here there are 2 fields to enter login password, to create a login password. first one is to enter the password and second field is to confirm password. Yeah, it is scanning for Wi-Fi's available Wi-Fi networks. Here it gave list of available Wi-Fi networks. The first one is my Wi-Fi network, and there are a few other Wi-Fi networks are also available in the list. Very low strength Wi-Fi networks are also showing in this list. Let me select my Wi-Fi network. It is asking to enter the password of Wi-Fi. Here you can also see the Wi-Fi SSID is changed to my Wi-Fi name _ext. It is connecting to my Wi-Fi now. Yeah, it got connected. Extended successfully, and here you can see the extender SSID as well. Now let me connect it to new extended Wi-Fi network. So this is the one. So let me click on connect. It is asking for the password. Let me enter the password. Yes, it got connected now. Let me check if I am able to connect to internet. Let me open Google search. Yes, it is working. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, kindly click on like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.